Camp Nou construction is buzzing like never before. This legendary stadium is transforming right before our eyes, faster than ever. The corner slats are finally taking shape, giving a stunning new look to the stadium. Check out the north goal progress with new supports, prefabricated stands, and insulation already in place. Plus, the radial beams are being lifted, and major structural updates are transforming the entire arena. Stick with us, you won't believe the incredible changes happening inside Camp Nou now. Let's get started. The biggest progress is visible in the corner section. Since Monday, many façade slats have been installed, especially along bracket and upper areas. Stable weather has accelerated the work. Only a small portion remains unfinished, and completion appears close. While some discussed spacing between slats, it is intentional for airflow. The final look will be clearer once everything is fully installed. From the lateral view, the stadium's final identity is clearer. The slats significantly change the overall appearance of the structure. Scaffolding is ready for the fourth pillar and radial beam. The pillar is on site, and the tower crane is positioned nearby, suggesting installation could happen soon. We're getting a closer look at the progress. Work is focused on lifting the fourth pillar and radial beam. Concrete panels are in place, and interior sandwich panels almost reach the top. Workers continue aligning everything carefully. A new truck has arrived with slats for the corner. Nearby, another sector is ready with supports and fasteners, waiting for installation. A yellow box is ready to be lifted to the third cantilever. Below, many slats are stacked, ready to move to the corner area. Radial beams and pillars have been in place for days, with orange chains attached. Prefabricated materials are organized to avoid delays. Scaffolding isn't placed yet inside the stairs, but exterior progress is smooth. 3 corner sectors of slats are nearly complete. Slat installation in the corner is moving well. New prefabricated pieces are being positioned and old sections checked. The crane is ready for precise lifts. Anchors for the slats are still pending. Overall, the corner is steadily improving. The tribunes are buzzing with activity, where activity is focused around the elevator structures. Workers are active across multiple levels, with 2 lifting platforms in operation. Crews are applying a white coating to the structural beams, likely the same used elsewhere. Both staircase structures are highly advanced and preparing for panel installation. An orange crane is lifting pieces while workers align and secure them. The right staircase is slightly behind, but work continues steadily with beams positioned in tight spaces. At the second diamond, workers are polishing the newly concreted floor. In the upper cantilever section, glass installation is mostly complete. Rock wool insulation and finishing trims are in place, with few panels still pending. At the south goal, multiple platforms and cranes remain active. Crews are installing insulation and preparing for future glass placement. Supports are positioned, but anchor installation is still pending. Sandwich panels now reach the first cantilever level, showing clear progress. Workers are closing off the elevator shaft structure. The chrome-like finish gives the structure a modern look, while anchor tightening continues in several sections. At the north goal, a trailer brought new slat supports. Several are ready for installation, while some areas await anchors. Rock wool insulation and protective trims are already in place. Lifting platforms keep materials moving efficiently. The main stairs in the north goal are nearly done. All beams are set and concrete panels are ready. Diagonal supports between beams are being positioned for stability. Prefabricated stands continue to be installed in the final corner. Workers remove material sacks and prepare for the next lifts. Tubing levels have increased to 3, and fresh paint is applied. The first vertical union for the slat supports is installed. Camp Nou is transforming beautifully. From radial beams to corner slats and north goal supports, every section shows clear progress. Thanks for joining us on this incredible Camp Nou journey. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button and subscribe to stay updated with every exciting update from the stadium.